Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and namaste, everyone. How have you been? I hope you all are doing well. And first of all, I would say very, very thank you so much, all my viewers, for clicking this video. And if you are new here, if you are watching this video first time, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Minraj Pun. I'm an English speaker. I learn English language and I help students to speak English. I make students speak English. And today I'm going to talk about a very, very, very important topic, that is English. Actually, do you ever think about this language? What is the real meaning of English? Is this a subject which is taught in school level? Is this for a foreign language which is spoken by foreign speaker, foreign speaker? And most of the important thing that do we need to learn this language? And if we need to learn this language, why do we need to learn this language? Yes, everyone. Today I'm going to clarify about these types of questions, like what is the real meaning of English, and why should we learn it, and what is the benefits we can get after learning this language. If you want to know every question's answer, please watch this video till the end. I will make sure about this language. First thing, English is a language, as you heard right. English is a language and it has a most power. It is such a language which is spoken across the world in this time. And so we must need to learn this language as much as possible. Listen, if we learn this language, if we get good command over English, what types of opportunity we will get? If you have good knowledge about English, first you'll be able to speak anything before any person. You will be confident in the speaker, and you will be able to transform ordinary people to extraordinary people yourself by learning this language. And you will get to many opportunity after learning English. You will be able to express your thought. You will be able to explain any topic before any person. You will not feel uncomfortable in front of anyone. And most of the important thing that, do you know, listen, as if suppose you don't know anything, you don't have knowledge, you can't solve a mathematical problem, you don't know about science, you don't know rule and regulations of government, then even if you speak two words in English among the people, then what would, you know, have you ever think about this? That is, if you speak two words in English among the people, people start, you are brilliant person. People will start You are extraordinary people. You are not ordinary people. You are extraordinary people. You are intelligent people, and people start to give respect to you. So you must have to learn this language as much as possible. And this all about benefits after learning English. And now let's talk about how to learn it. Actually, most of the people think that after knowing grammatical rule, after learning grammatical rule, we can speak English fluently. We can get command over English. Actually, that is not right way. This is not the way to learn it, because you know what? Had you started to speak Nepali language after learning Nepali Vyakaran? No, because it is our native language. And how did we learn it? We learn it. We learn Nepali language after listening Nepali things in Nepali multiple times. Likewise, if you want to, if you have to learn English language, if you have to speak English, you need to first listen everything in English. Try to listen everything in English, and after some time, you will also start to speak English little bit, even by making mistake. But that is not a big deal. That's not a big thing. If you are making mistakes, it's normal first, because every every learner make mistakes initially, and after some time they started to speak fluently without getting hesitate, without making any mistakes. And one most important thing, that if you are making mistakes while learning, that is a very good thing. You are changing yourself, you are doing something. And if you are not making mistake, it means you are not learning something. If you are making mistakes, it means you are learning something in your life, which is very good. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are part of learning, which can be reduced by learning more and more. So, and actually, I would like to point out that I'm not any English speaker. I'm not any fluent English speaker. I'm not any English speaker trainer. But I'm also like you. I'm also practicing English. I'm learning it. I'm learning this language. And if you want to learn it, please join us, follow me, subscribe me, and learn together. Let's learn together. And I hope you found this video some helpful for you. And if you find little bit helpful this video, please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel English with Minraj. And if you have any doubt about this language, about me, please let me know uh, by comment. Write comment. Thank you so much for watching this video till the